Okay, now the question number, we start with question number 18. Question number 18, arrange the following fraction in ascending order. We have to arrange the fraction in ascending order. See, arrange, arrange the fraction, arrange the fraction into ascending order. Now, question number 18, the fractions are 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 6, and the last one is 7 upon 8. So you all know that these fractions are like fraction, these all are unlike fraction. So first we have to write the fraction in like. We can change these fraction into like fraction. And this is the classwork for 2010-20. So you can write the date, classwork, chapter number, chapter name, and continue with the exercise 5D. So these are the fraction 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 6, 7 upon 8. But all the fraction are in unlike fraction. So first we have to convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. So we take out the LCM of 2, 4, 6, and 8. 2, 4, 6, and 8. So the LCM is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 is the 24. The LCM is 24. So now the required denominator for every fraction is 24. So 1 upon 2, give some space and write the required denominator, that is 24. So you can check from here, if we multiply 2, so 3 to the 6 to the 12. And same number which is multiplied with the numerator also. So it will be 12 upon 24. Then 3 upon 4, give some space and the required, and write the required denominator. This is 24. So 2 times 2 and then 6. We know that 4 6 are 24. So 3 6 is 18. Now the next fraction, 5 upon 6, and the required denominator is 24. 6 4s are 24. So 5 4s are, you can check, 5 4s are 20. Now the last is 7 upon 8, and the required denominator is 24. So 8 3s are 24 and 7 3s are 21. So you see, arrange the following fraction in ascending order. Now the uh, now the denominators are same. So when we are writing this fraction in descending order, this is the 12. 12 is less than 18, is less than 20, is less than 21. Out of 20 upon 24, 24, and 24. Clear? Now, therefore, 1 upon 2 is less than, 3 upon 4 is less than, 5 upon 6 is less than 7 upon 8. This is the way to find the, find not, write the fraction in ascending order. You all know that the ascending order means that the small to big. Ascending order means small to big. Now, if there is any doubt, please ask. Open your audio and ask if there is a doubt. Or if there is no doubt, then tell me. Good. Can I rub? All copied? Good. Now, yes. Here I will write the homework. So you can write down this in your mark in book, or you can write this in your notebook. Now the question number 21. Fractions are 3 upon 4, 7 upon 8, then 11 upon 16, and the last one is 23 upon 32. So this is the question 21st, and the fractions are 3 upon 4, 7 upon 8, 11 upon 16, 23 upon 32. Now the same, we can take out the LCM of these numbers. LCM of LCM of basically denominator. I know the LCM. I think the LCM is 32. 4, 6, sorry, 4, 8, 16, 32. Because 4 8s are 4 8s are 32, 8 4s are 32, 16 2s are 32. I think the LCM is 32. So if you want to check, you can check by doing LCM. 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now we do with 2, 2, 4, 8, 16, 2, 1, 2, 4, 8, then 2, 1, 2, 4, then 2, 1, last one is 2. Now 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, to the 32. So the LCM is equal to 32, means the required denominator is 32. Required denominator is 32. Then write the first fraction. This is 3 upon 4, and the required denominator is 32. Now 4 times 8 is 32, and 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24. Sorry. Now the second is 7 upon 8, and the required denominator is 32. 8 fours are 32, and 7 fours are 7 fours are, you know that, 28. 28. Now the third is 11 upon 16, and the required denominator is 32. So 16 times 2 and 11 times 2. 11 times 2 is 22. And the last one is, last one is 23 upon 32. And the required denominator is 32. So we just multiply with 1. This is 23. Now you see, in this, the smallest is 22 upon 32, then 23 upon 32, then 24 upon 32, and the last one is 28 upon 32. So this is according to the like like fraction. Now our fraction is, first, this is 11 upon 60, therefore 11 upon 60 is less than 23 upon 32, less than 3 upon 4, less than 7 upon 8. Sorry. Yes, 7 upon 8, sorry. So now it is clear how to find, and we can mark this less than sign, which indicate this is in all are in ascending order, because 1 upon 16 is less than 23 and 23 upon 32. 32. I write like this. So yes, and then this is less than 3 upon 4 and less than 7 upon 8. This is the ascending order basically. Now clear? Good. Good. Everyone copied? Good. Now, Asta, can you read the next question? What is the next question? Okay, next question we have to arrange in descending order. So we can start with 23. Question number 22 is your homework. Now, question number 23. The fractions are 7 upon 9, 5 upon 12, 11 upon 18, and the last one is 17 upon 36. Anyone tell me what is the LCM of 9, 12, 18, 36 without any calculation? Is it possible with anyone? Very nice. Yes, bolo. Good. Good. So 36 because 9 fours are 36, 12 threes are 36, and 8 twos are 36. It is a so we know that. What is the full form of LCM? Good. Good, good, good. Now we can change this because we know that uh, uh, these all are in unlike fraction. Then we have to change. We प्लीज देखो झगड़ा करना है क्या करना है वो अपना म्यूट करके करो ना प्लीज डोंट डिस्टर्ब द क्लास now 7 upon 9 5 upon 12 11 upon 18 36 these all are in unlike fraction so first we have to make the fraction like so we can convert the fraction into like fraction so it is first is the 7 upon 9 and our required denominator is 36 so we can change according to this okay and then the second one 5 upon 12 5 upon 12 the required denominator is 36 so 12 threes are 36 so 5 threes are 15 now 11 upon 18 and we know that the required denominator is 36 so 18 times 2 is 36 then we can multiply the same number with 11 11 twos are 22 now the last fraction is 7 upon 36 and the required denominator is 36 so the denominators are same so we just multiply with 1 to show the working now these all are the like uh, like like decimal sorry like fraction these all are the like fraction so now we have to write in a descending order and descending order means that we have to write from the big to small so in this first 28 upon 36 is greater than 22 upon 36 is greater than 17 upon 36 is greater than 15 upon 36 this is how we write the descending order we use the greater than sign okay therefore 7 upon 9 is greater than 11 upon 18 is greater than kindly mute their voice kindly mute their voice 11 upon 18 and then next 5 upon 12 kindly mute their voice if required then you open your voice 7 upon 9 is greater than 11 upon 18 and then greater than 5 upon 12. No, no, not 5 upon 12. This is 17 upon 36 and the last is 5 upon 12. Now this is a descending order. This is how now you can check how we write the descending order with the given fractions. First we make a fraction like all fraction. First we make a all fraction like, then we have to arrange in a descending order. This is the way how we write the descending orders of any fraction. So 24, 25. Can I rub this? Okay. Okay. Write down fast. So kindly attend the class on time. Next time I will not allow you to enter the class. Dilkush. Yeah. And please mute their voice. After everyone mute their voice. And everyone must write the question number that is in homework. Now 25, 26. Question number 26. The fraction are 1 upon 12, 1 upon 23, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 9, 1 upon 17, and 1 upon 50. Asta, please mute their voice, Dilkush. Asta, you open your audio and tell me. You just tell me ki without any calculation we can solve this question. Anji, without any calculation. It's quite easy. If the numerators, if the numerators, if the numerators are same, तो मैंने कुछ बताया था शायद तुम्हें. If the numerator is same, the smaller denominator become big. Clear? Because here 1 is divided by 7 means 1 divide in 7 part, 1 divide in 9 part, 1 divide in 17 part, 1 divide in 12 part, 1 divide in 23 part. Now at the last 1 divide in 50 parts. So we know that 1 upon 7 the division is large. So it means that if there is a smaller division, so that fraction is bigger. If the numerators are same, we simply learn like this ki if the numerators are same, so we count the smaller numerator, smaller denominator is बिग एज अ होल फ्रैक्शन। समझ में आ गई बात? मतलब जो छोटा डिनोमिनेटर है उसको बड़ा, वो बड़ा हो जाएगा। क्लियर? ये लिख देना है इसमें कि इफ द न्यूमरेटर्स आर सेम, सो 1/7 इज ग्रेटर देन 1/9, बिकॉज इसका हमें सबको पता है, वी नो दैट कि देयर इज अ, अगर कोई भी तुमसे पूछता है कि ये सीरीज कैसे लिखी है, सो वी से दैट, हम उसे बताएंगे कि 1 इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 7 पार्ट, 1 इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 9 पार्ट, एंड इन 1 divided into 7 part is obviously that part is bigger than this 1/9 part, means इफ, ये लिखना नहीं, अगर लिखना चाहते हो तो लिख सकते हो, 1 divided into 7 parts, 1 divided into 9 parts, or so on. It means therefore the seventh part is greater than ninth part. Clear? Seventh part, because this is seventh. 1/7 means this is the seventh. This is the ninth. So basically the seventh part is greater than the ninth part. Ninth part. Clear? और नहीं, अगर किसी को उसके बाद भी नहीं समझ में आता है तो दे कैन ड्रॉ लाइक दिस, दे कैन ड्रॉ लाइक दिस एंड चेक 1 2 3 4 5। ये किसकी यहाँ पर घंटी बज रही है? अभी बोल दिया कि अपने ऑडियो को म्यूट कर दो, तो समझ में नहीं आया क्या किसी को भी? आई जस्ट से कि जस्ट म्यूट योर वॉइस, तो क्या किसी को समझ नहीं आया? दे कांट अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग। Now 7, and this is the first part, and now we draw a same and make a 9 equal division. Nine, and this is the first part. So you can compare this part. This is, suppose this is A and this is B, so A is greater than B. Clear? Hmm. Copied? Good. Good. So I think 27 is same like 26. So you can do in homework question number 27. Now the question number 28. Uh, Nidhi is there? Sambhav, can you read the question number 28? Saurav, read the question number 28. So we know that question number 28. Total number of pages is equal to 100. And now Lalita, read pages, that is 30, and Sarita, read pages is equal to, this is the fraction, 2 upon 5 of 100. So it will be 2 upon 5 multiplied by 100. So 520s are, now it is 40. Now tell me, Saurabh, who read more? Therefore, Sarita read more pages. Clear? Just copy the question. Now, can I rub? Copied? Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Done? Good. Now, Dilkush, read the question number 29. Dilkush, read the question number 29. Two upon, two upon, two upon. Hour? What is hour? What is hour? What is hour? It is O-U-R, hour, or H-O-U-R, R. You just say R, not hour. Ah, okay. Now, Rafiq exercised for 2 upon 3 hour. Means we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, Rafiq exercise is equal to, what is the fraction here? 2 upon 3 of 60, which is equal to 2 upon 3 multiplied by 60. 320s are, now it is 40 minutes. Okay, and the next one is Rohit. Rohit exercise is equal to 3 upon 4 of 60, which is equal to 3 upon 4 into 60. So 4 ones are 4 and 15. 4 ones are 4 and 5 20. It's 15 fives are 15 threes are 45 minutes. Now Dilkush, who read more, or who exercised for a longer time? Rohit sized for a longer time. Clear? Copy fast because I have to finish this. Copied? Everyone copied? Good, because I want to finish the last question also. So, Asta, can you read the question number 30? Good. So, uh, class 6A is equal to 20 upon 25 and class 6B is equal to 24 upon 30. So this is a we have to write the fraction of past student. Fraction of past student in this and in this. Okay. So we just compare the fraction by this, or you can do by a these all are the sorry, both the fraction is unlike, so you can make the like fraction and then, or you can cross multiply it also. So we can write the fraction over here and just cross multiply 20 times 30 and this 20 times sorry 25 times 24. So 20 times 30 is 600 and 25 fourths are. What is the 25 into 4? नहीं not fourths are 25. 25 fourths are तो सबको मालूम है 25 into 24. 25 multiplied by 24. 600 and 20 times 30 is also 600. So Asta, what is the answer? Very good. Both both section both section both section gave same result. Okay. Now this is clear. Both the section gave same result. Okay. Wait, I can.